Hello and welcome to the release spotlight for the SAWSConnector version 1.19. We're thrilled to share this feature-packed update with you, designed to streamline your e-commerce operations and unlock new levels of efficiency and creativity. In this video, we'll walk you through the exciting new additions, from the powerful Ursula AI enhancements to improved sales channel management and much more. So let's get started. Ursula AI formats. Meet our new Ursula AI, the advanced intelligence driving the latest AI-powered enhancements in the SAWSConnector, powered by OpenAI's GPT technology. So let's see it in action. The AI value transformation format can transform values using custom prompts. Choose from 3 creativity modes: deterministic, creative, or balanced, depending on your needs. The AI translation format can easily translate text within workflows, simplifying multilingual content management and filling missing translations quickly, perfect for global operations. The value storage format can store values directly into content-serve objects like products, channels, and DAM files. This feature works perfectly alongside AI functionalities but can also be used independently. Every Ursula AI feature is designed with adaptability in mind. Through custom-developed prompter plugins, you can fully tailor and control the AI's output to meet your specific needs. With that, you also know the name of the owl from our assistant and cloud services. It's Ursula. Ursula AI Sales Channel Linking. We've introduced a new active job in the connector suite to simplify sales channel management. Automatically link products to the appropriate channels, which act as categories. Define exceptions to control the behavior for specific product subtrees, ensuring flexibility and precision. Variant Manager, a new way to handle complex articles. Say hello to the Variant Manager, a brand new app in the connector suite designed to streamline the management of SAWS complex articles. Create complex article presets to define variant heads and their variants. Link products into existing variant heads or create new variant heads entirely. The Variant Manager also checks for duplicate variants, ensuring your data remains clean and consistent. Shopify and ChannelEngine transmitters. We've expanded the generic JSON connector with 2 new transmitters. The Shopify transmitter export content-serve PIM data to Shopify, including products, collections, and custom fields. And the ChannelEngine transmitter seamlessly manage products on ChannelEngine, including creating and deleting products, filling custom fields, and building basic variant structures. Automated sales channel activation and deactivation. A new active job allows you to automate the activation and deactivation of sales channels based on their validity. Flex Table preset for complex articles. We've added a new Flex Table preset specifically for complex articles. Use it as a variant overview, accessory product list, or cross-selling tool. Like all Flex Tables, it's easy to embed them in websites or smart documents, giving you more flexibility in how you present your data. Design overhaul of all connectors. We've given the connector configuration interface a fresh new look. Enjoy a more spacious and modern design. set station images for popular target systems to easily differentiate them, new logos for every connector enhance visual clarity and branding, also, we've expanded our fleet of progress bar vehicles because every job deserves a little flair. Digital shelf analytics support. To support content serves close the loop philosophy, we've extended the connector with digital shelf analytics plugins for Shopware 6, Shopify and Magento. Resynchronize orders, prices and reviews back into your digital shelf analytics for a complete view of your e-commerce performance. Autocomplete for Shopware 6 and Magento fields. We've made the configuration faster and more convenient with an autocomplete functionality for the Shopware 6 and Magento connectors. The system suggests existing fields such as the product number or cross-sellings, reducing errors and saving time. Shopware 6 Data Proxy. Our new Data Proxy feature for Shopware 6 optimizes data transmission. Cache previously sent packages and filter product data on resend to only transmit changes. This significantly reduces traffic and resource consumption between ContentServe and Shopware 6. And that's a wrap for the SAWSConnector version 1.19. We are incredibly proud of these updates and can't wait for you to experience the improvements firsthand. Don't forget to follow our newsletter for future updates and news. The link is in the video description. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you even more innovations in the future. Until next time, happy connecting with the SAWS Connector.